Importing MARC records from vendors other than Follett. Your MARC records will generally come through your email account as an attachment. They are recognizable by the title Microlith. To access the Microlith file, select the download arrow on the file. Do not open. Instead, select Show in Folder. The Microlith file will appear in your Downloads folder. Drag and drop the file to the desktop or to a folder that will be easy to access from Destiny. Log into your Destiny circulation system. Select the Catalog tab, then click Import Titles in the sidebar of the Catalog tab. Be sure to use the correct settings. Title matching, select Strict. For incoming title matches on existing title is better. Select Replace the existing title if the incoming title is better. Copy matching, skip the incoming copy if its barcode matches an existing copy's barcode. These items are discussed in more detail later in the video. If there are ebooks in the record that are specifically for your campus, be sure to check the box. Select Limit the job summary details if you only want errors and warnings to appear in your job summary. These items are also discussed later in the video. To import records from the Microlith file, select Choose File. Locate and select the Microlith file. The name of the file will appear next to Choose File. To preview the records, select Preview. This is recommended. To import records, select Import. Recommendations when importing. Use the following recommendations when preparing to import MARC data into Destiny. They provide most of the information needed to ensure your catalog data is accurate and complete. Your collection statistics report. Run this before you import. This report will provide you with a starting or baseline count in each call number range in your collection. It will be used for comparison after the import is complete. To run prior to import, go to Reports, Library Reports, Collection Statistics Historical. Recommendations when importing. Title matching. Use the settings indicated below for all MARC records unless directed otherwise by Follett Software Technical Support. Strict should be chosen for title matching, and replace the existing title if the incoming title is better. For copy matching, use the setting indicated below for all imports unless directed by the Follett Software Technical Support team. Your library media specialists are provided with barcode ranges for each vendor for their orders. Vendors will use barcode numbers in descending order and begin where the barcode numbers ended for the previous order. Therefore, the selections indicated below should not be used. Do not use starting barcode or assign next barcode. Instead, use skip the incoming copy if its barcode matches an existing copy's barcode. Job summary. All import files should first be previewed. When previewing your import file, it is recommended that you remove the check. This will allow you to preview all the copies in the data file. Since the data is listed in barcode number order, it will also allow you to identify the last barcode used by this vendor. You will want to record the barcode number on your barcode tracking sheet. Tracking sheets can be obtained from your head librarian. The second time you preview your import file, it is recommended that you select the box to limit the job summary details. This will allow you to preview only the items that have warnings. These will need to be reviewed carefully to make sure all the copies are being imported into Destiny as expected. After the import preview, a report of the import preview will be listed in your job manager. Review this report to identify any errors reported. The sample below indicates duplicate copies, invalid copies, and invalid records. Details on these items can be reviewed in the body of your report. When reports are lengthy, you can use the Find from your browser to search for terms. These items should be resolved before proceeding. There are several reports that will assist you after an import has been completed. It is expected that you use these reports to verify the Destiny data with your items. These reports will also help to identify information that is missing from your data so it can be corrected more easily at the time of import. First, you'll go to your title and copy list. You'll find that under Reports, Library Reports, Title and Copy List. Select Date Copies Were Added, use On the Date, and use the date the MARC file was physically imported, and Show Titles with all copies. Then run the report. The report will provide a listing of the items loaded for the given date. This list is in call number order and provides the ISBN number, price, and some circulation statistics for the item. Use this report to verify that titles and barcodes in Destiny match the books or items in your order. Your collection statistics report. Run this report immediately after the import. Again, you go to Reports, Library Reports, Collection Statistics, Historical. Compare your after report with your starting report. Review so you can identify any problems with the copy count, call number prefixes, or any other information that is not what is expected. This concludes the video on importing MARC records from vendors other than Follett.